In this video, we're gonna show you how to make the easiest cake you'll ever make on a barbecue.
The first thing you want to do is add a clean grill grate to your Ninja Woodfire. You're gonna set it to bake and you're gonna add on 30 minutes and it's gonna start preheating here. You're gonna see the notches going up. Now the key is to make sure you add a clean grill grate. You don't want to add cake to a grill grate that's had like roasted chicken on it or something gross.
Ew! Are you speaking from personal experience?
Yeah.
Ew!
You don't want a
gross.
greasy cake.
Chicken cake?
No. You'll see here, these are our 3 ingredients. Good old box cake. We've got some butter and a pie filling. Now I'm gonna show you a really important trick that once you start doing parchment paper like this, you will never go back to anything else. So you're gonna take a piece of parchment paper, fold it in half, keep folding that half in half.
What is this, like origami? That's
No.
what it's looking like here.
No, it's not. I promise you it's not gonna be. Keep folding it in half and you're gonna see why we're doing this. So you want a round shape instead of a circle. You're gonna take the point and put it to the center of the pan and then see that you're gonna try to trim off to the outside of the pan here.
Ooh, that's pretty easy.
Okay, it's kind of hard to explain, but watch. You'll see. You unfold it and you
Wait,
got
what?
you got yourself a circle. Now this is a little bit too big. So you'll see I'm just gonna fold it back up. You don't want it to go up the sides. So you're gonna trim a little bit more, unfold it again, perfect.
Okay, that is, you got that. It only took you 2 tries.
Yes, and it's gonna fill the bottom. Now, in order to make the cake, you literally are dumping everything into a bowl.
Just dumping and stirring.
Look, the pie filling, we're going with the Black Forest cake in this one. We've got chocolate cake. Don't get the bag in.
Someone's trying to add an extra ingredient in there.
And then the melted butter. All the proportions are going to be in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Mix it all up, mixy mix. It might look dry, but it comes together.
No, I think that looks delicious. You could even give that a little taste test.
It would be good. It would be perfectly fine. Scoop it into your cake pan, add it into the Ninja Woodfire, shut the lid. And here's what it looks like before it's cooked. So it is very thick.
I like that though. You can see the cherries. That looks really pretty.
It's beautiful. Let's check on it. Oh.
Ooh! So that was the full 30 minutes later?
That was the full 30.
You didn't peek?
No, you can't with a cake.
I peek all the time.
No. And then if you press the top and it springs back, you know it's done.
You don't do the toothpick trick.
Poke it. If it springs back, you know it's done.
We always say your hands are the best tools in the kitchen, even better than a toothpick, I guess.
Yeah. Now we're gonna flip it over onto a cooling rack. And you, I'm struggling.
Someone looks like she's having a little bit of a rough go there.
Let's see if it's gonna come out. You just wanna bang it out there. We've got the parchment on the bottom so it isn't gonna stick. Oh yeah.
So the purpose of the parchment is so that it doesn't stick.
Yes, you don't need to spray it. It's just overkill because see now we're just gonna peel the parchment off.
How satisfying is this? It's just peeling off It's like a piece of tape coming off of there.
Yep, and you wanna peel that off before it cools, otherwise it'll just steam under there. Smelling
Going
so
in
good.
for the smell test.
Here's what it looks like.
Beautiful!
As it's cooling. So beautiful.
It kind of looks like those are candied cherries. Like they look like maraschino cherries.
Well, the pie filling probably is maraschino cherries.
That's why it's
super
good.
sweet. But look at how dense and fudgy this is. Now, you could do 2 layers if you really wanted to, get some icing in there.
Ooh.
But because I think it's so dense and fudgy, look at it.
No, I don't think it needs icing.
It's a little bit of whipped cream on top,
Yeah,
just to make it look nice.
Does it need whipped cream? Every cake needs whipped cream.
And a little cherry. Now here's me trying to taste it for you and show you guys what it tastes like.
Pulling your classic key. Head out of the shot.
Yeah, sorry
Head
about
half
that.
out of the shot. We're lucky your mouth's in the shot.
It was so good. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy this. It's so rich, so fudgy, so chocolatey. And I made this version plant-based so I could eat it, but you could intermingle with regular box cake, different pie fillings. You could do like an apple pie filling with a vanilla cake.
Ooh.
Imagine a vanilla cake with blueberry pie filling.
Oh my goodness, the possibilities are endless. And my favorite part about this is a cheap but impressive dessert.
Yes.
How much was that box cake?
Well, the gluten-free one is a little bit pricier because anything that it's for special dietary reasons, it's going to be on the higher end. So that one was about $5 or $6,
That's
I
still
think.
phenomenal. Could for sure serve that at Christmas time, at Thanksgiving time, any holiday, and the family's gonna love it.
Absolutely. So if you are looking for a cake that's not going to break the bank and is going to take you no time at all to put together, try get our 3-ingredient cake in the grill.
If you're looking for another delectable dessert recipe, click the video on the screen now because you are going to love that one. Creme brulee is also one of those really impressive desserts that everybody loves.
And super easy too.